Video number 1, Lightning's Warm-Up Drills 101.
Our demonstrator is Princess and Trinae. They're going to demonstrate how we do the proper form of high knees. You want to focus on getting your knee up as high as you can. The toes are pointed dorsiflex, which means your toes are pointing outward. And coming down on the balls of your feet. Just like that. High knees, you get the knees up, toes pointed, dorsiflex. The A skips. Similar to the high knees, but this time you're incorporating the skip. Set. Go. Will be V skips. This time the same thing, focus on the high knee drive. But this time you're extending your knee outward. Set. Go. Quick feet. Focus on getting on the balls of your toes, moving quickly with your feet, using your arm action. Set. Go. It's toe walks. Set. Go. Get a little bounce with it, bounce with it.
Heel walk.
Heel walk. Strides. Striding out 30 meters.